Long hours spent operating a wheel loader shouldn't result in fatigue of shoulders nor the back, but for many operators, that's exactly what they experience day after day. Studies by the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health show that awkward posture, coupled with vibration exposure, is considered a health hazard for operators of construction equipment, such as wheel loaders. But thanks to Danfoss, the global market leader in electro-hydraulic steering, there's a solution. Steer-by-wire will be the future of wheel loaders, and with the Danfoss flexible JS1 joystick platform, we have a joystick that fits individual customer needs. And together with one of our electro-hydraulic steering products, in conjunction with a PVED CLS, which contains a certified safety controller, we can supply a safe joystick steering solution with features like Quick Steer. This joystick steering system allows operators to maintain a symmetrical posture while operating the vehicle, reducing the risk of long-term fatigue. Research carried out in cooperation with Aalborg University in Denmark shows a 65% reduction of average muscle activity and a 6% productivity increase when operating the wheel loader by a joystick versus a traditional steering wheel. The studies also showed that the feature called Quick Steering, that reduces the lock-to-lock ratio, gives a 16% reduction in average muscle activity compared to conventional steering. Also here, a 6% productivity increase was observed. Enhanced wheel loader ergonomics, provided by solutions like joystick steering, are designed, tested, and proven with customers at our global application development centers. We aim to not only enhance the operator experience, but do it in a way that significantly reduces development time and costs for OEMs with our electro-hydraulic steering solutions that include all needed hardware and software. Talk to Danfoss and learn more about the benefits joystick steering, quick steering, and active jerk force dampening CLS solutions can help you and your wheel loader customers.